Good day, Lasallians. The Lasallian community, together with Filipinos from different sectors, commemorated the 39th anniversary of the EDSA People Power Revolution held last February 25 at the EDSA People Power Monument in Quezon City. Despite President Bongbong Marcos declaring the EDSA anniversary as a special working day, DLSU and other universities have suspended their classes to allow their communities to partake in the remembrance of the uprising that toppled the dictatorship of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. in 1986. One Taft, a coalition of student councils from universities along Taft Avenue, including De La Salle University, marched in solidarity with around 6,000 protesters to uphold the spirit of EDSA and the ongoing fight for a just, progressive, and peaceful nation. Beyond the mobilization, the DLSU-USG organized a series of initiatives to honor the People Power movement, including the And So It Begins block screening and talkback session, exhibitions, museum visits, prayer vigils, unity walks, ribbon tying, and forums including EDSA at 39 and Tinig. For today's youth, the People Power Revolution is not just a part of history but a reminder of their role in democracy. Kabataan Party List Vito Cruz spokesperson Josh Bailon emphasized that student activism continues the spirit of people power.
Pero nakikita naman natin na kahit na nangyari yon is may mga estudyante pa rin na nag-walk out tulad ng sa PUP para lang isabuhay yung diwa ng EDSA at pagmarcha sa kalsada papunta dito.
Ken Kayanan, a student leader, reflected on the lasting impact of Marcos Sr.'s dictatorship on DLSU.
Nariyan ang pagbuo ng dalawang prominenteng political party sa Lasal in response to the martial law. Tapos nung binuwag din ang student council nung panahon ng martial law, nabuo ang Council of Student Organization. Kaya napakahalaga na alalahanin natin ang mga ganitong bagay, hindi lang para sa ating pamantasan, kundi para na din sa mga buhay na sinakripisyo doong panahon ng batas militar. Dahil utang natin sa kanila na pangalagaan ng kalayaang ipinagkaloob nila noong mga panahon na yon.
However, preserving EDSA's legacy is becoming increasingly challenging, with historical distortion threatening its remembrance.
Medyo marami daw sa kabataan na hindi na nakakaalam kung gaano kahalaga ang EDSA. Pero sa 39 na taon na inaalala natin ang EDSA, yung mga ilang taon na nakalipas, yung time ni Duterte, saka ngayon kay Marcos, talagang sa tingin ko nababawasan. Sa tingin natin, hindi ginawa itong non-working holiday, binabawasan ang kahalaga ng EDSA talaga ng pamahalaan ito.
The decision to declare February 25 a working holiday ignited public discourse, further fueling efforts to keep the revolution alive. Transport Group Leader Mar Valbuena and Labor Group Leader Cal Yodi de Guzman, both senatorial candidates, highlighted the need to preserve the memory of EDSA and elect leaders who serve the people, not political dynasties.
First time naming sumama ngayon upang makiisa sa taong bayan na huwag mabura yung itong araw na to na pinagsikapan ng ating mga magulang, ng ating mga lolo at lola na pilit pinubura ng administrasyon ngayon.
Kaya baguhin natin ang approach o framework ng ating pagboto sa eleksyon. Bagong politika, hindi yung luma, hindi yung trapo at dinastiya.
More than just commemoration, EDSA urges Filipinos to take action, especially with the upcoming 2025 elections. Attorney Renico also pointed out that democracy extends beyond the ballot box.
Join organizations, have organizations go out and mobilize the people towards the calls of the sectors. And let us actively shape policies to how we want them to be and not how political dynasties and people in power, people in ruling classes want it for themselves.
DLSU President Brother Bernard Oca FSC called on the youth to take the initiative in understanding the true spirit of EDSA.
Hinihikayat ko kayong lalong malaman kung ano talaga ang nangyari sa EDSA. So gumawa ko ng pananaliksik para malaman talaga kung ano ang ganap na nangyari at para yung diwang iyon, yung animong iyon, magpalakas sa ating mga puso at para tayo ay maging talagang witnesses sa diwa ng EDSA.
The EDSA People Power Revolution serves as a pillar in upholding Filipino democracy and remembering our past. Amid historical distortion, the truth remains. The strongest force in shaping the nation's leadership is people power. With the fast approaching midterm elections, let us reflect on the EDSA anniversary and vote for leaders with a genuine commitment to serving the people and the country. Mabuhay ang diwa ng EDSA. This has been Jam Mambay reporting for Arch News. Animo Lasal.